Hey guys, we're ready to use that F major chord that we just learned about in context. We're going to use it with a C7 chord we learned earlier, and we're going to play it in a song. Remember, you really should start by going back and practicing. Make sure you've practiced a couple of times. A really good tip is to change chords maybe every 8 beats at a very slow tempo. And when that becomes easier for you to do because you've developed the coordination to do it, which just takes time, then instead of speeding up the tempo, make the number of beats before you change smaller. So start out at 8 beats before you change, then make it smaller to 4 beats and then change, and then 2 beats and then change back and forth from F to C7, F to C7 every other beat. If you do that, that'll make it easier to play. Now remember, the song for this piece is Singing in the Rain. This is what the lead sheet looks like with just the rhythm bars put in there so you know where to strum. But I'm going to show you, and the one that you'll play from in class is the lead sheet that actually has the words on it. Remember, you get lots of information looking at the music. The title's in the center. The person who wrote the music is to your right. That's Mr. Brown in this case. The lyricist, the person who writes the words, because those are 2 different skills, is on the right. I'm sorry, on the other right, which is your left. And then at the bottom, you can see information about the copyright, the original time this song was copywritten, and that was in 1929, much older than Miss Swallow. So you'll see we also have a time signature that says 4/4 time. It says we have a 2-bar or 2-measure introduction. That means 8 beats of the first chord, and that first chord is F. I want you to take a look though to see, I'm going to see if we can make some highlights over where the chord changes at the first part here. Now remember, since this is part of a piece that I can copy for you, I just can't copy for everybody else on the internet. I'm just going to keep it here, even though we're going to go through and sing the rest of the song. So make sure that when you're playing through, you are looking at your music, even if you are listening and playing along with me at the same time. So we're going to start F major. Remember, F major, first finger, first fret, second string, second finger in the second fret where it belongs, on the 4th string. Remember, you want your cup of water. I don't want my hand to tip this way because then the neck will rest in my hands. That's going to create, I'm not going to be able to change chords very fast. This is much easier. All right, so let's take this kind of slow. We're starting. You'll notice at the beginning where it says I'm happens in an incomplete measure. This is what we call a pickup count. And so we're going to start and we're going to go 7 beats of that F major chord. I'm going to start singing and you're going to start singing on the 8th beat there for I'm Singing in the Rain, if that's the real key. Remember, if you don't sing, who's going to know what you're playing? Yeah. So, I mean, get over the fact that you don't think you're a singer. That's silly. All human beings are singers. All right, so here we're at the very beginning. 1, 2, ready, F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sing. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm C7 again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart. Great job.